Hi, in this video we're just going to have a quick look at getting started with PD or Puredata, and we are going to sort of look at how to sort of set up the system, set up audio and set up MIDI. So if you go to on a Mac, this is based, so if you go to the applications folder, and then you'll see that we've got a PD extended link in there. So if we double click on that, this will start PD running, so I don't need this anymore. So the first thing that it brings up is this window here, which you can tell it's got a couple of meters in the top, and then there's a switch to turn the audio system on and off, which is there. Also, we'll have some sort of information here occasionally. It gives you some sort of verbal information down there. So if there's a problem with your patch, it's always good to look at the PD window, because that may give us some extra information so that we can understand what's going wrong. And then if we can't find this window, if we just simply go to Window and then select PD window or this shortcut, and this will bring up our PD window if we can't actually locate it. So that's the PD window. If we want to set up our audio and MIDI system, we go into Media, and then we can have a look at Audio Settings. And the main thing we need to worry about is, have I got the correct input and output audio devices? So PD is an application that can receive audio as well as generate audio from that. So if I want to change this, this is currently set up for OS X's built-in microphone and the built-in output, but I can easily change this by clicking on there. So I want to sort of set up this with my sound card, which is a Sapphire, and then I can change my outputs to go to my Sapphire outputs on that. And then if I can also sort of change multiple channels if your sound card allows for that. And then you click Apply, and then your audio settings will be set up. But I'm not going to accept that because I just want to go on the standard ones. If we want to make sure our MIDI settings are correct, and you have a MIDI keyboard set up on here, there are various ones we can do. So if you go to Media and then MIDI settings, that brings up this little box here. And if we wanted to make sure that our keyboard is connected to this, if we click on this input device 1 there, and now I've got a Nocturne keyboard which is connected to here. So I press Apply and then OK, and now my keyboard has been put into sort of this system. So we're set up with the both two there. So that was just a simple video showing you how to sort of basically run and set up Puredata.